Yo, hello. I'm back again with my live stream now. It's all about the language. So today, I suppose I'm going talking with the English. But if you guys wanted to talk with Bahasa, I would love to talk with Bahasa too. So yeah, if you see that I show my second webcam. There you go, my old webcam. If you guys um knowing about my live stream, it's a little bit laggy, right? I'm using my old webcam to showing this new board, and yeah, uh, so my friend is kinda give me challenge about the new things on the IoT, and he gives me this. Uh, it is actually a simple board. There is also a GPS module in here. I don't know if is this right, a GPS module. And this is an Arduino board. This is an Arduino board with an attached the battery in here. Um, you can see about the LoRa. Oh, so this is the core processor. Maybe this one is in core processor, right? So I think I'm going to wait a little bit for uh, some people would like to talk with me. And hi everyone. Hey, yo, my man, Larkop. What's up, man? It's been a long time, right? Yeah, also about my not live streaming almost like 2 weeks. Yeah, it's almost like 2 weeks. It's actually like 3 weeks. For the first week, I got sick and it's really bad sick. I get my sinusitis activated and really hurt. And then for the next month and the next week, I got my job must done with the end of the quarter two, quarter one, and need to review the quarter um and how I will need to plan about the strategy of the quarter two. It really painful and really takes a lot of
Kalau
time.
lu masih tinggal sama orang tua lu masih
What?
punya rumah.
So what I need to do back then, so I just need to make some YouTube content so I can working while making some content. So yeah, with if you see there is a second webcam in here, we are going to talking about the Arduino in here right now. So let's just say I don't know about the IoT, I don't know about the Arduino, so we are going to explore this, okay? It's going to be fun, I think. So my friend gave me challenge about to explore this Arduino board. Actually, it's first because my co-working challenged me about a new task, and then what we got in mind is about the IoT board. Look, here it is. I actually don't know what is this, especially about the Arduino. Actually, I only know about the, there is another version about the Arduino board, and it's like almost 4 years ago or 3 years ago, I do made my Arduino board to controlling the lamp. Yeah, back then I'm doing my IoT project for an art from the architecture company. So yeah, we're going to explore this. And sorry if you can't see this clearly. I hope I will show you my best about the board structure because the camera is kind of laggy. So let's first explore about this board first. What is this and what about this board? So let's go. If not smells good, ready to bacon. Okay, this one maybe, no, this one, yup, this one, but is it really good with a little bit setup? Oh yeah, Wilarkop, what do you think about the Arduino board? Is it really interesting talk about this? Are you ever have an experience with the IoT? Yeah, this is good enough actually. And I will put this in here or here. Yeah, actually, P and Arduino board is kind of different. Oh wait. I'm going to set up a little bit so you guys can see this clearly. Yep. Alright, this is pretty good. But always fun to learn about the Raspberry Pi. Right, so the P and the Arduino board is actually different. So we actually could say this about the board, right? Raspberry Pi. And then we're going to talk with the Arduino board. Oh yeah, I forget to share my stream to other channel. Just wait a minute. Yeah. And yeah, Arduino board and Raspberry Pi is actually different. The Raspberry Pi is actually the board that actually built in with a lot of stuff in it. You know, there is a lot of module already built up on the Raspberry Pi, and there is, wow, there is already have a Pi board 4 with the 8 GB RAM. Wow. My first version of the Raspberry Pi is actually maybe around the P2. You know, we only have like 512 megabytes of RAM, and actually that's pretty enough. And we do evolve the mobile technology. There is also a minimum mobile phone, like around 3 gigabytes. And yeah, that's changed everything on the IoT world, I think. So yeah, this is the Raspberry Pi board, and what is the difference with the Arduino board is actually kind of like this. I can tell about this. Yeah, this one. Actually, the Arduino board has a different board. Maybe mine, this one. This is actually the board. Wait, I'm afraid this is actually not the Arduino board. Yeah, if you could see this about the Arduino, is actually much more uh, low low level. Yeah, the module is actually only has a very basic. There is a jack audio, I think, or a jack for the power, and we also have about the USB power in here. The difference with the Raspberry Pi, is actually like operating system built in here, and you can run any program in here because we have operating system in here. The difference with the Arduino board, you actually put your code on the firmware of the Arduino. There is no operating system in it, so your code written with the C, especially with the C. There is also another board built in with the Python. So you put your code on the C immediately into the Arduino. It's kind of low level on the electric engineering. Very low level on the electric engineering. There is also like a pinout about how to understand about this board. But actually, this board is kind of different with the Arduino, right? So I think I'm kind of doubt with this board is actually the Arduino board. So let's try to figure this out. So we have a label in here. If you could see, there's the TTGO. Let's try to find this out. TTGO board. So here we go. All right, we are going to explore about the ESP32. So it's actually same with this one, right? There is also a label in here. It's called the TTGO with the ESP32. I don't know about the 43, 806A and 915, and there is also a Wi-Fi wireless in here. And yeah, there is a written label in here if you could see. I'm sorry. Come on, this one. Yeah, I hope you could see this. Come on. Yeah, there is a TTGO with the wireless and then Bluetooth icon in here with the another level of the LoRa, like wireless, and then we have the model LoRa of the 32. Let's try to figure out what is LoRa is actually. LoRa 1 is like a low power of the wide area network. Low power of the wide area network. Okay. Modulus is a best spectrum modulation chip. Okay. It's just simply like a low power of the wireless. All right. So this is actually pretty interesting. So what the difference with the Raspberry Pi, and also we are going to have the Arduino board, and then we have the ESP32 board. TTGO. Yeah. So actually the TTGO and the Arduino board is kind of same. we are going to figure out how to put some new code in here. And the difference with the Raspberry Pi Arduino board and the TTGO is actually kind of on the prototyping. Usually in the electric engineering or something like that, maybe there is a phase where the developer or the electric engineer need to prototype. And the Arduino board and the TTGO is actually a board that you need to prove your concept. It's kind of work or something. And mostly with this TTGO is actually it's a kind of different on the production. On the production, it actually they build the PCB board, PC board, and then Arduino and TTGO is actually used for the prototyping. And also Raspberry Pi is used for the prototyping, but the Raspberry is kind of similar with there is an Intel mini PC. I do like making a similar the Raspberry Pi with the Intel mini PC. So instead I choose the Raspberry Pi. Is actually it will be better if we use the Intel mini PC. Look, this one is pretty good. This one is pretty good. My friends buy this and use this for the proxy, a DNS, and then for the, how do you call that, the ad blocker. So there is a one PC that is used for a gateway on the modem, and then every traffic in and out, it will be filtered by this. Oh, I never heard about that, the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. Mini PC for AI and robotic. Oh, yeah. So, processing with the GPU is actually a trend right now, right? So the processing with the GPU, much more faster. There is also the NVIDIA Jetson Sapphire. There is also how do you call that? A built-in operating system like P, I guess. Yeah, I guess this is actually similar with the P board, with the power much more powerful built in with the GPU. So in case you need an IoT, you want to build in with the power of the GPU, and you need to build some AI in it. Yeah, I think the NVIDIA Jetson Nano is much more better to use. But back again, this kind of board is actually pretty useful for the prototyping, not the production used. Oh, sorry. I never heard about the IoT that used the AI or the ML for the computing, but most people about on the electric engineering reliable with the basics to understand about the surrounding, and using the AI is kind of overkill, I guess, because there is also cost on the budgeting on building the production. Maybe if you want to mining somewhere, or you want to put this hidden on your company, maybe it will be good to use for just playing around and wanted to understand about the sport. Yep. Okay. So we missed about our main point. We are going to explore days. Okay. So we get some clue about the board. We have the TTGO ESP32 board, right? So there is we have a power in here, and let's see ESP32 GPS module. This is actually a GPS module, right? You could see in here we have the battery, and then on the back side we have this TTGO, and then we have this switch like 1 2 3. All right, I'm going to use what? We have this. Oops. We have this. This is kind of switch, and then this is also a switch, and this is, you know, jack into the power, and then we have this. Oops. We have this also a switch to turn on or turn off the board. I just simply turn this on. It's actually powered on the battery, and yeah, it's actually turn it on. And I don't know about this one, but we have, my assume, we have the GPS in here. No, I'm sorry, this is kind of blur. Yeah, this is a GPS. I think it's kind of same with this one because we have a single dot in here. Yeah, we have a single dot, a little single dot in here, right? It's kind of same with this one board. Maybe my friend is already cut this out, and yeah, we have a smaller version of the GPS. And okay, so we are using this one with the TTGO, and then oh, we have a error. Oh, it's a different, right? It's different with this one. It's different. Let's try to explore about this port. Oh, we have another viewers. Hello. This one? No, 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 no. Oh, yes. PTTGO. So this TTGO. Oops, sorry. We are going. Oh, this one. This one looks good. We're going to see this one. Let's pause the music. What?
Welcome to my technical notes board.
All right. We have a same board, right? We have a power with the this one, a blue one, and we have beside on the TTGO. We supposed to be have a red one. We actually don't have any red LED in there.
with a LoRa, a long-range RF module.
Long range, low power. Oh, so long range is
3.3
like
volt
long range and low
regulators,
power.
onboard
Pretty good.
battery charger and monitor, on-off switch, general purpose.
Oh, okay. This one is a general purpose. This one is general purpose.
I/O switch on GPIO 39, a reset switch.
Oh, so this one is a reset switch.
Micro USB for programming and power
Yep,
connection.
we're going to put
The GPS
our code
module again,
into this.
blocks. Neo 6M with an external antenna, a blue LED for GPS on, and a red GPS lock indicator flashing there every second to indicate it's got a valid lock. No, it's indoors and it's receiving GPS without any problem. Battery backup for the GPS without any problem. Battery backup for flashing there every second.
Wait, there is something I can't hear that clearly. We're going to turn this on.
Red again,
Okay.
new blocks. Neo 6M with an external antenna, a blue LED for GPS on, and a
Oh,
red
so this blue one,
lock
we have this.
indicator
Wait,
flashing
my
there
camera
every
is
second
actually
to
not
indicate it's got a
sync with
valid
me.
lock. No, it's indoors and it's receiving GPS without any problem. Battery backup for
Okay, let's back
the
again.
GPS parameters.
This one is actually to define the GPS actually turned on, and we have this for a battery backup for the GPS. It's pretty small, isn't it?
And good silk screening there for all the I/O connections, so it's a little aid memoir for which connection is which, and similarly for the GPS receiver for transmit and receive data lines, I/O 12 and 15. On the rear of the unit there you can see the 18650 battery holder.
We have the same battery in here.
And the GPS antenna.
All right, so this is our GPS
connection. Note that the aperture for the GPS is the topmost part of the ceramic antenna there. So there it is, it's the TT Go.
TT Go, so it's called the TT Go.
RF communications.
We're going to turn this off again.
Here are the components on the board.
Okay, so here we go.
Great detail.
A beam component, so this is called the beam component. We have the LoRa transceiver on the 900 megahertz. So it's actually can transceiver of the 900 megahertz broadband. Where external antenna connector in here, blah blah blah, something like that. We are need to record this to the USB TBM component. Okay, what we're going to do next is how do we program this, right? Where should I go first? Is there any here?
To make sure, or receiver antenna aperture.
Oh, it's actually same with this one, right? The external it's actually GPS antenna and aperture phase.
So point that widely used pretty much every.
Great YouTubers.
It's pretty long about the explanation about the LoRa. So ESP32 TTGO. How they Programming. Get started with specific development is okay. All right.
Ton of different. So wouldn't assume
We
ESP32.
so we are going to use the Arduino ID. Arduino ID. Mm-hmm. We're going to use the Windows. Wait, what? We can get this. Just download. You get. We can just install this by downloading. No, okay. Oh my god, it's 200 megabytes. 200 megabytes. I was supposed to be prepared this before. Oh, it's actually faster. We get like 10 megabytes. Okay. It's a megabits, not megabytes. Ah yeah, while waiting, I'm going to take some of my drinks. It's actually a megabit, and maybe the Microsoft Store have an Indonesian server, so it's supposed to be much faster. But I don't know, it's kind of different. I'm using the um maybe you could say a different provider. It's actually not a famous provider in Indonesia. This is called the Mega Vision, and it's actually only available on three cities. Three cities: Bandung, Cimahi, and Bogor. It's actually not exist on the Jakarta. It's pretty fast because using the Indosat M2 internet connection. So here we go. We have the Arduino board. Oops, sorry. Okay. So what's supposed we're going to do now?
Into this, in this case, Arduino and preferences, maybe file preferences depending on your operating system, but it is preferences, right? We look down here and we see add board's manager URLs, and I'm going to put
Here we go.
Hi, welcome. From this side, they are connected with different chips. For example, this is also the X of this. Whenever there is a communication, you see from this, you can imagine asynchronous. So many. Now let's run a simple blink program. We're going to program this so this LED will blink, and also I'm going to connect external LED so you can see it with different pins. We use, I think you will get something else. Let's test it.
Oh yeah, forget about my friends actually already sent the source code, but I don't know how to use this, right? What do I we're going to okay. Where is the project idea? Here we go. This is the source. What I didn't know about this, how to start this. Maybe we need to turn this on. Yes, I'm sorry. So it's actually turned it on right now. It's actually turned it on right now. So we are using the part one or serial ports, board get port info. Native serial port can obtain info. Uh, how to connect SP32 with Arduino. So we need to change the preferences, and then if you already have a, you can separate it with the commas flow. Oh, additional board manager URL. All right, open the board manager, go to tool, board, and manager, tool, board manager, and then we need to install the SP32. This one, install. of 50 megabytes. Pretty easy. Is this actually comfortable if I'm using the board in here, camera board, or should I making like this or like this? You can see the code. Come on, like this. Ugh, it's pretty ugly. Yeah, let's just doing it like this. Oh, we're going to move this one to here, right? Oops, and move this one to here. We need a little bit my face, and then we're going to get a little bigger of this one. Oh, yep, like this. And you can see my face in bottom one. Settle, go on. So what next? Then this is will install for a few seconds. Testing the installation board. So I need to get the board. SP32 Arduino. We have the TTGO LoRa OLED V1, right? The TTGO LoRa 32 okay OLED V1. Is that true? Yeah, there's only one about that. This one, okay. All right, we're going to tools, ports. Really, get port info? Can I get the port info? And, oh, file example Wi-Fi scan. Supposed to be. Wow. Upload speed. We have the upload speed in here and also flash frequency. Uh, I can get the port info. Select the port. If you don't see the COM port in there, you need to install the CP. Oh, maybe I need to install this one. VCP driver feature and benefits. Blah 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 blah. Okay, download. Universal Windows driver. Which one should I get? Wait, what? VCP drivers. Universal Windows driver. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, we need to the VCP. VCP. Okay, this one. The driver was successfully installed. You can now connect your device. Please read them first. Alright. Okay. Uh, we can do it now. Let's close this first. No. We're going to continue with the Arduino board. And then we have this one. Uh-huh. We're going to get the board info. Can we get serial board serial port can obtain info. Still can get the info. The TTGO is true. It's actually valid. Maybe. Wait, what? There's also another version of the TTGO. We have the LoRa 32, but a different version. Um, what's the difference? TTGO LoRa 32 version 1. Version 2. This is ours. G bin. This one, right? Yeah, T-beam. So it's supposed to be we are need to use the bit port TTGO beam. There is also a different TTGO in it, TTGO T1. Oh, we are using the T-beam board. Board T-beam. There is no T-beam. It's to be expected that the board manager is playing, but it's not Arduino to add support in order you need to fix the space for what? There is actually a T-beam. Okay, we need to get the T-beam. Where's the T-beam? T-beam, T-beam, T-beam. Okay, we found the T-beam. Get board info. We can get the board info. Oh, let's play a music. Let's just doing it like this. Oh, we can upload this. Look, you could see oh wait, no such file or cine gps-a, no such file or directory. Open the IDE, select sketch, and then include library, then select a zip library. What? I don't know the zip cine GPS. Oh. Oh, so I only need to download the zip here one. I'm going to put this into my directories, right? We are going to get to the download. Where is it? The download one. Where's the download one? Wait, where about that one? Oh, so I put that on the videos emoji, and we are used the Synergy PS Plus. Okay, library added to the check include. I just still native server port can obtain info. Okay, I get it. Let's try to put this one. We're going to compile this. So it's turn it to green, as you can see, and it's still compiling. Kinda long time. So it's still compiling. Still nothing. So the source code, okay, I'm going to tell about the source code first. It's actually I'm doing copying and pasting on my, oh, it's working. Okay, by the way, I'm using the I will show the latitude, longitude, I don't know about the altitude and altitude, and then speed, about the speed of the device, and also time hour, time minutes, and then time second. Just simply show that. Now failed to connect to USB 32, time out, waiting for packet headers. What's wrong? I did it into the right code. So actually the uploading is kind of failed. If you try to upload a new sketch and you get this error failure or failure to can okay, it means that USB is not flashing or applying having the right mode. Hold down the boot button in your so I need to turn that. Wait. So I need to turn this a flash mode. Is that right? Wait. If you try to upload in having the right board name and COM port selected, follow the step, hold down the boot button. Yeah, maybe this one.
Hello, I'm Dave. Welcome to my Technical Notes channel.
Okay, let's see again. Where is to boot? This is actually GPG. What? Where is the boot? Yeah, this is power, so I can turn this on. Okay, I turn this on, and then can I get board info now? What? Oh, so there is a new comment here. So actually I need only to turn this on. Okay, we can connect it now. We have the now board upload and sketch to obtain it. Alright, we are going to upload. Hope this working. Okay, it's still compiling. Oh, it's uploaded. Oh, it's really beautiful to looking this. My first time. Leaving hard resetting via RTS pin. So for the next one, we are going to see the serial monitor. Here we go. It's completely done. Wait, what? Oh. It's actually kind of weird because the latitude and longitude is actually not working. Should I turn it something? So I do the flash boot in here. It's actually not going. What? Okay, let's see about the source code in here. We have the hardware serial, GPS serial for its setup. Can we see the board info? We can see. Alright, we have the latitude in here and then longitude and then satellite value, and we have all the zero value in here. It's a fuck. We have the void loop and smart delay. What is a smart delay? Um, why I do get the zero value, but the test one, no. Or I do wrong both. No, this one right. Well, let's try to figure this out. Cine GPS plus plus with the zero failure. Are you using the Outsoft serial? It's different question. Please post a complete sketch. Yeah, okay, does not seem anything wrong with the posted code. What you make useful things. Notas mais the validate the code to read GPS history get answer MS get read data. That is my complete sketch. Put your code here to run once. Because of this smart delay. Okay. Okay, we only need this one, right? This one. Differences from the Zenny GPS. Repeatedly feed it character from your GPS device. While SS available, GPS encode SS read this part, right? I just don't get it about the smart delay. And we are going to do in here while GPS are available, we are need to GPS encode GPS serial read. About the SS is GPS serial. This one, right? And also we do also the serial prenaland GPS location. GPS using this GPS Plus. For the latitude, they're going to get the 6, and this is also the 6. I'm still wondering why that it's set up to the 6. And then I need to feeding the hungry object. If the GPS location is updated, void loop. Okay. Is there any example of the Tiny GPS? Oh, there is a example. Where's the examples? Tiny GPS. Oh, here we go. We're going to the basic example. All right, here we go. What the hell is that? We're going to upload this first, okay? Here we go. It's compiling. And after that, we're going to see the output. We're going to close that. The selected will because it does not exist. Your voice is not connected. It's not connected. To execute the script. Yes, Beatles. What does that mean? Do I need to reset this or something like this? Or do I need to turn that this pakai bahasa itu, Mas? Yes, this is C. Oh, it's uploading. We're going to see from here one. Okay. We're going to show the timestamp. Okay, let's waiting. It's going to red in here. You can see here. Going to red. And it looks like it's not going well. What is wrong in here? It keeps on the red part. I assume it's actually error. Okay, let's see if we could use another example. Any GPS? Device example. We're going to close that and strike. Okay, let's do this. No such file or directory. GPS device hookup on pin 4 and 3. weird. It's actually not working. So let's try our last code. This one. We could use the open actually. So I assume there is something wrong in here because it's going to turn with the red light. So we're going to compiling a new sketch in here. Okay, now it's going to hard resetting. It's doing nothing. Or should I turn this off first? Oh, I can do that. Submit by red like nothing, let not working issue running GPS code. It runs but I get no data from. So let's see if we do this. We're going to upload it. Wait, it's kind of hard. It's always skip on the hard resetting. And if you have any GPS signal, the red LED should start blinking. It's the one GPS output and requires the GPS to have acquired enough steadily to get a time fix. Oh. Oh. Wait, what? It's actually working. I don't get it. Oh my god. In here we are using the 17TX and 18RX. Maybe about the hardware, about the position of the. I still don't get it about the red part. Maybe my code is actually not uploaded or something like that. I don't know. If I turn this. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, if I could use the hello world in here, it's supposed to be show the hello world in here. Let's see if we could change label a little bit. Let it judge. I don't know about the red flag in here. Different with the green one. It's actually working. We add a simple string on the last character on the lady that with S. So I still don't get about the DS1, about the red part. Doesn't that mean about the GPS is actually working? But it's green. Different with back then. It's a green. Isn't that mean that GPS is actually not working? But GPS real begin with 9600. Serial again 1 and 12 and 15, and we set them out with like 2 seconds. Oh, here is the function of the smart delay. For the smart delay, like almost 1 second. If millis with 1 system delays. It's actually GPS char process it. Let's see what we could do on the last time. Ini GPS. If we haven't seen a lot of data in 5 seconds, something wrong. Okay. So this is supposed to be simple. And the GPS is actually not working. And I still kind of doubt about the red light, because back then it's kind of green like, and the GPS is kind of not working. So everyone always define about the rack spin with the, this one is 8 and 9. It record the use and assume that you have about okay, so it's actually not validate the location. Okay, the RX pin is actually using the 12 and 15. CBS serial begin. Serial. Huh? GPS baut? Where's the GPS baut? Let's see other people code. We're using the notepad. Yeah. There is no GPS port available in here. So it says begin SS is using the okay. We assume the SS is actually the tiny GPS was because it's same with the begin, right? This one begin is actually the GPS serial. So the hardware serial with the GPS serial. Oh, so it's actually using the software serial. The serial connection to the oh. Let's see if you could use this software serial. Let's explore about this last one. Okay, we're going to use the example of the tiny GPS with the full example. Hope this working. Software serial.h example. Oh, so it's actually using the news of serial? What? On this line of code, we are using the news of like this, and then we're going to using the my serial. We are going to use the news of serial like this. I don't know if this will working. There is kind of sounds on the board. God. Is the direct descendant of the still don't get it. Hmm. Everything is already using this software serial. Even the basic one, the basic example, we can use this. And kind of weird too. Okay, I think I'm going to put this for the last one. We are going to rest and let's see if we could see this on the next stream. There you go. It's supposed to be show the location. Oh wait, the display info is actually not set it up on the. Oh, we're going to clear the output. Let's see if we could put in here. Okay, let's see. We have this GPS actually working. Let's try to move this a little bit. Oh, it's green. I didn't get it why it's going to be to red or to green, but yeah, it's actually working. Okay, let's see about the location. How to? Let's stop doing the auto scroll. Let's see if the location is actually true. I think I'm going to use my private. What? It's actually not working. We are in, where is this? Where is this? Austin. We're going to the United States. What the hell is this? Why the location to the okay, location, the location is actually is not valid and valid. I think we are going to explore that later. If it if it work, don't touch it. Yeah, right. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream right now. I'm sorry because I trying to set up this two webcam and almost take like an hour to only set this up. Actually, I can start the stream from the 8, but I set up this round and yeah, it's kind of long. I don't know. So thank you everyone that watching my stream, especially with Larkov. Thank you, bro, for staying in here. So yeah, I think maybe if I have in good condition tomorrow, I think I'm going to stream again. I don't know if I'm going to stream about this board again because currently I'm pretty curious with this board. Yep. Hey, thank you everyone for everyone to watching this, and also I'm going to upload a new content this week. It's kind of good content one. I think it's kind of funny about the programming, and yeah, maybe around Friday I'm going to upload that. So that's it. Hey, thank you